All right, everyone in the Time Savers community, this is version 2.3 of iDoit. Looks like the word idiot, but really it's the exact opposite because this Chrome extension is going to be controlling your your Chrome browser. Exactly like Atlas or Comet. The only difference, it's just a regular Chrome extension. You know, the ones you click add to Chrome and then you add it to your Chrome just like you would any other Chrome. Just click that button here and guess what? It works inside of Chrome. Now, I want to demonstrate how amazing and how powerful this really is by just showing you. I'm just going to show you. And then I'm going to explain why it's better than Atlas and Comet. But let's start by showing you. I know you want to just see this working. Now, for those of you who've already seen my videos, this is different. This is version 2.3. This is so much better than you've ever seen before. So to get started, I'm going to click on my favorites. To get to your favorites, you click on the book button right over here. I hope you can see it. Saved prompts. And over here, I have a add description and tags prompt, which I already made earlier. You can create a new one by pressing the plus button. I click that. And that's it. It's populated the input field. Now all I need to do is get started. And to do that, I click mouse control. And what you're about to see is fantastic. So first of all, it gives you a nice, kind message. Let me do your work. Then it clicks on the video that doesn't have a good enough description or it doesn't have tags. And it starts adding information. Let's watch it do it right now. So I guess it's going to scroll down to the show more button. You know, that one that reveals all the tags on YouTube videos. Now, the reason why it knows how to do this is because it has this unreal function called site context prompts, which I'll show you in a minute. But let's just watch it happen together. It's going to scroll down. Here we go. And now it's reached the show more button. And I guess while that's working, I want to show you why it knows what to do on a YouTube video. Let me show you. So over here, so just click show more. Click show more. The reason why it knows is because of this over here. You see this star? This is the magic star. When you click this, for every website on the internet, you can create this thing called a site-specific prompt, which allows you to educate iDoit on how to use this specific website. So if I go to my saved rules, you can see I have a saved rule. And when I click the edit button, you can see, look, when you see the show more button, click it to find the tags. Show less appears right after clicking, and etc. And then you can say to edit a video, click the thumbnail of the video. After you click the show all, scroll down twice, you should get to the tag. So as you can see, with these fantastic instructions, this AI is now able to actually find where the tags are. So if you have like a complicated website where it's hard to navigate, don't worry about it, because in the end, what you could do is have the AI just educate it, tell it what to do to get from A to B on the website. So as you can see, it's added way too many tags and it needs to remove some. So don't worry about it. The AI will notice that it needs to edit the tags and it will start removing the tags because it sees it's done too much. Also, if my prompt was more accurate, like if I said don't do 100 tags, if I would have said do 25 tags, we wouldn't have got this problem. So I blame myself for this kind of mistake, but still the agent is going to be able to fix this. It's going to be able to click away all over the place to make sure that it has less tags. But let me just show you a better case. Let's go and do another case. Let's go back to another case. Let's restart this entire process. Let's go back to main. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the reset button. Let me just show you in the interface here. You see over here, we have this interface. Let me just get that up here for you. Here you go. So when I click on this, I'm resetting the entire instruction. And then I'm going to click on my book here and the same description, and then I'm going to tell it to do it. Now, I want it to only work, for example, on this pyramid fold because it doesn't have a description. So it actually did that. It chose the pyramid fold because it doesn't have a description at all. Now it's going to write a description, add the tags, and then move on to the next video. And so that way it can actually do SEO work for all of my videos. You know, those ones that you forget to do the description on and you forget to put the tags on. Watch, for example, what it's going to do on this page right now. Here we are. It's going to type a description. Working my magic. Fantastic. Now it's going to formulate a description and type it right here. learn how to fold a napkin into an elegant pyramid shape. Now it's going to go down the page to the tags and do this for all of my videos. And it can literally navigate the internet. After clicking save, it can move on to the next video and the next video. So it's working perfectly. Version 2.3. By the way, you might only have version 2.2 because it's going to be released in about 24 hours. Once you get version 2.3, you can rest assured this is going to smash the hell out of Comet and Atlas, because this is a Chrome extension working inside of Chrome with your private Gemini API key. So it's all the information is yours and private. So nobody will ever have access to any of your data. Not even this Chrome extension knows what you're doing on it. So you'll be able to have privacy using this specific Chrome extension. So add it to Chrome, give it a try, and just watch it do your work. I promise you're going to be blown away. Also, the developers of this extension want to help to make it the best, better than Comet, better than Atlas. So if you're interested, just click the Contact Us button within the Chrome extension somewhere and let them know what they can do to improve so that it can just be the best in the world, literally. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.